This is the Canon 800D, also known as the T7i, and I've had it for 5 years. I really love this camera, and a few features I'm going to break down in a second are this monitor and the viewfinder that it rotates out. And the other thing is the Canon app, and that you can connect this directly to your phone. No wires. This is the Canon 18-2 55mm lens. It has autofocus and the image stabilizer.
One thing I absolutely love about this camera is that you have a built-in monitor, essentially, this viewfinder that it will rotate out, it'll tuck back in. Also, it protects the screen if you want to have it rotated in on the back of your camera. So I love this. I can see with no lag exactly what the camera is capturing, and also it will show you that it's recording, so you have the confidence that you're actually capturing what you want to when you're doing videos of yourself. So I don't think I could ever buy another camera if it does not have this built in, because I use it constantly and it's just like an essential feature, especially if you're going to do any type of recording of yourself.
I just want to show this screen again, because this is how you pop it out. So it's like a monitor for yourself, but you can rotate it in so that it is protected if you're putting it in a bag. And look at my camera is facing all the way down. Boom, I can rotate it so I can get a perfect view of what my camera is getting. I can also bend in so that you don't have to be manipulating your body in all these crazy ways, and you can just change the viewfinder. So yes, absolutely love this. So this is the Canon app, and I already have my camera set up and connected. Here you can download the pictures or videos to your phone or delete them, whatever you want to do. And then the other cool thing is this mode, which it basically shows you like the viewfinder, but on your phone. So you can take pictures of yourself from far away. You can touch on your phone to focus in different spots and then take the picture. So these are some really cool things that go along with this camera, and another reason why I would never choose a camera without this. These features are awesome.